guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. So I'm coming to you today with me not in the motivation to get anything right now, but we can change this. So today's video is actually going to be me getting ready. So I'm not doing anything today. I'm just like at home, bored, chilling out. My sister has her friend coming around later on, so that'll be fun. But today I thought I'd do like a little makeup tutorial. So a few videos back, I'll put it up like on the suggestions right there. It was the perfect day in my life, and I did a makeup routine there, and quite a lot of people have said they liked the makeup routine. So I thought I would today come with you with the makeup tutorial, how to do it. I've got the whole look already, and for that, so I thought this is a kind of little glow up video from me looking like this to this. Obviously, I've just put a photo up of what I would look like after this big looks done, but I don't know what it looks like because I've not even got it ready yet. So, now what we're going to do is I've literally just woken up. It is about 1 o'clock right now. Yes, I did wake up quite late because actually last night I pulled an all-nighter and regret my life. I'm tired. Yeah, it's actually exactly 1:30 right now. So we're going to go ahead and get into a cute outfit for today, and then we're going to get all the bits ready for the makeup tutorial, and we're going to get on with today's video. Okay, so we've all set up now. I've just got a dressing gown over my sports kit, which I did do work this morning, so I'm in it, but I thought it'd be easier, because then if I do get makeup on, it doesn't matter, so like that. Anyway, so next what we're going to do, we're going to literally just whack my hair up. So that is all up now, so our hair is all out of our face now. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go straight in, just do a cleanse and tone. I have showed you a cleanse and tone before. If you did not watch any of those other videos, I will show you. So the first thing we do is the cleanser, which the cleanser is a Fine Flowers Milk Cleanser, which looks like that. And then the toner is they're actually all from L'Oreal. I don't know how we say it, but it's also the Fine Flowers Toner. And then just to top all that off, we're just going to go on with our moisturiser. So let's go ahead and just apply all them to our face, and we're going to apply them with some cotton pads. So once that is all done, and my face is all moisturised and cleansed and toned, I said they're all in the wrong order, we're now going to go ahead and just basically just start off with our makeup routine. So the first thing we're going to do is of course going to be our foundation. So we are actually going to be using this Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation. It looks like that. So let's go ahead, and we're going to use one of these brushes, just like this. You can use these are normal foundation brushes, and we're just going to go ahead and apply this to our makeup, to our face. guys, so all my foundation is now applied to my face. We're going to go ahead and just go straight into our concealer, and I use this like concealer. It's not like a big make one, because I actually bought it ages ago and I used to just use this for like a foundation, but then I realised it was way too light and it was not the right thing to use on my face. It's an ultimate cover up full cover face and body makeup. It's like a concealer. It just looks like this. It's not really any make. I just got it from Beauty Outlet. It's from W7, I think it is. But we're going to go ahead, and the brush we're going to use is, we're going to use this like it. And it's like an eyeshadow brush, but it's like this side. It's really thin, if you know what I mean. So we can get a bit of concealer onto our brush, and we're just going to do it on our forehead, under our eyes, and then down our nose a bit. So let's go ahead and just do that. Okay guys, so now all that concealer is applied to my face. Oh my god, I couldn't find the word for that then. I used the foundation brush just to kind of blend it into my proper face, so I just use that to like blend it and stuff, and yeah. Okay guys, so next we're going to do the powder. So this is the powder that I use. It is the Max Factor X Cream Puff Pressed Powder. So we're going to get just this kind of brush, and we're going to apply this onto our face. Okay, so once that's all applied to our face, we're now going to go ahead and do our bronzer. And the bronzer I'm actually using is the Hoola Benefit one. This is the bronzer we're going to be using. I don't actually not show this is in now, but I think it's just like a normal brown one. I'm not too sure. And the brush we're going to be using to apply this is going to be just a nice black one. This looks a bit like a it's like a blusher brush, but it's just like a bit bigger. So we're going to go ahead and just apply this. So next we're going to apply our blusher. With this brush, it is a Spectrum A05 one. It's like the angled one, so it's like angled up for. Next up is our brows, and for brows we're going to be using two things. We're going to use the first one, which is the 3D Brow Tones, and then we're also going to be using the 24-hour brow setup, which are these. So next, what we're going to be doing is we are actually going to go ahead and apply a highlighter. So with our highlighter, we're just going to go ahead and put it on our cheekbone above our blusher, and then we're also going to put a little bit on our nose and then a tip. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to get our hand and get, and this is one we're going to use our hands. We're going to go ahead into the Rimmel London, which of course I use for the blush as well, but I didn't show you. We're going to put our finger in the highlighter of this set, and then we're going to put a bit of highlighter in the corner of our eyes. Next we're going to move on to our eyeshadow. We are going to be using, first of all, the Hoola bronzer, and we're going to get a brush. This brush is a base shadow brush, and it is a RT301, and then we're just going to go ahead and just apply some bronzer onto your eyelid, which is really random, but yeah. Let's go ahead and do that. So that is all done, and then we're going to go ahead and get our Morphe palette, and we're going to get this nice pink glittery one, and we're going to go ahead and just go inner eyed with this glitter. And that is our eyeshadow all complete. So now I'm going to go ahead and just get our Rimmel mascara, and we're going to go ahead and apply this to the top of our eyelashes. And then we're going to get our the original mascara, this one, and we're going to do that on our bottom eyelashes. And that is our eyelashes all complete. And then for our final step, which is going to be our lips, which we're going to do a few lip liners and then one lipstick. So the lip liner we're going to do first is going to be this lip liner from the Natural Collection in shade Dusky Pink. So it looks like this. And then we're going to go ahead and just line our lips with that. That is our first lips done, and then we're going to get the MAC lip liner in shade Spice, and we go ahead and just overline our lips with that as well. And then we're going to get the lipstick that is my ultimate favourite one, which is I don't actually know what make it is. It might be Rimmel, but it's in shade Velvet Beige. And it is just like a really, really nice nude lipstick, and yeah. So that is the makeup look complete. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into a nice outfit, and I'll be guys when we have. Okay guys, so this makeup look all complete. I hope you guys did enjoy this little makeup tutorial. I will show you what I'm wearing. So today I am wearing this little dress. It's from Topshop. It's really cute. Really recommend you buy it if you want it. And this makeup look is complete. So yes, I hope you did enjoy it as much as I enjoyed doing it for you. And yeah, so this is this little makeup tutorial all complete and done now. I hope you did all enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what vlogs you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!